Are you leaving money on the table with your pricing? That very first price that your customer sees changes everything with their mindset. I'll show you how one small, simple tweak used by big brands and smart businesses guides buyers to choose exactly what you want them to choose. And let's be honest, pricing feels tricky, right? You worry if it's too high, too low, or just confusing. Today we're tackling one core problem: how to use pricing psychology, specifically price anchoring, to make customers feel confident in choosing the option that's best for them and best for your business. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. So no complex theories today, just simple actionable steps. So what is this price anchoring thing? Here's a problem many business owners face. You have different products or service levels, but customers struggle to see the value clearly. And with this, maybe they just default to the cheapest option, even if it's not the best fit. Now think about this. Have you ever seen a price tag with a higher price crossed out, showing a lower sale price? Well, that's price anchoring in its simplest form. That first price you see, the $199 that's crossed out, that's your anchor. It sets a mental benchmark. Suddenly, that $149 feels like a fantastic deal. And the reason for this is because that first price the customer sees heavily influences how they perceive the all other prices. You can easily use this by showing a reference price first. But make sure you're being honest about this. Don't invent a fake original price. Savvy customers see right through that, and it destroys your trust. I always recommend using genuine list prices or previous prices. Now, I'm sure this makes sense to you. It's all about perception. Okay, but why does this all work so well? It's not magic, it's just how our brains are wired. The problem for customers is they often feel overwhelmed or unsure what a fair price even is. So they look for clues. And that first piece of information, that first price, latches in on our mind. It becomes that reference point or the anchor. We then compare everything else back to it. There's something else we tend to do. We often avoid extremes. We don't want the absolute cheapest because it feels risky or incomplete. We often shy away from the most expensive unless we have a specific reason for it. So we naturally drift towards the middle. So make sure you understand this mental shortcut. You can structure your pricing to make your preferred option feel like the safe, smart, middle ground choice. By doing that, it guides them gently, using their natural tendencies. So how do you actually do that on your website or sales funnel? Well, that brings us to the power of three. One of the best places to use price anchoring is in pricing tables, especially for softwares or services. My favorite is a simple 3-column pricing table. The problem is getting customers to choose the option you want them to, often the middle one, which offers a good balance of features and profit for you. But you're probably thinking, how do you just stop them from picking the cheapest? Well, you create 3 distinct options. Let's call them basic, best value, and premium. The best value would be the middle option. Now here's exactly how you anchor the pricing. First, make your basic option truly basic. It solves a core problem, but lacks desirable features. Its low price makes it seem almost too limited compared to the next tier. Then, make the premium option significantly more expensive. Add some great features, but that price jump from the middle tier should feel big compared to the feature jump. This is going to make that middle tier look like a bargain in comparison. And then, design that middle, best value option to shine. This should have the most popular features, solving the customer's problem effectively, and offer a clear, significant step from basic without a hefty price tag of premium. So with that, the basic and premium options act as anchors. Make the middle tier the most appealing and logical choice for most people. It hits that sweet spot in avoiding the extremes. Okay, quick warning for you though. This only works if the value is real. Don't cripple your basic plan unfairly or invent features for premium. The perceived value jump needs to be genuine for this to feel right to the customer. So let me be clear about this. You need to be honest. Don't use fake original prices for strike-throughs. Ensure the different tiers offer real distinct value and focus on guiding, not tricking them. You can use anchoring to highlight genuine benefits of options that you believe serves the customer best, which hopefully is also profitable for you. It's all about helping them make a confident decision that they feel good about. So as you can see, price anchoring is a powerful tool when used correctly. If you want more practical tips and systems to get more customers and boost your profits, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You know how I mentioned that the first price the customer sees changes everything? Well, now you see why. That initial anchor sets the entire stage for your customer's decision. So the biggest takeaway with this, pricing isn't just about numbers. It's about framing value. Think about how you can use anchors ethically to guide your customers to the package that works best for them.